My name is Paul Lyons. I own Northeastern Mechanical, HVAC mechanical contractor company in Boston, Mass. Local 537, pipe fitters. We replace dated equipment, usually equipment that went in the 1970s era with new technology, new equipment.
My name is James Zeke Sawaya. Zeke is a nickname that I've had forever. I am the Director of Engineering for CB Richard Ellis in New England. We take care of all the HVAC, the plumbing, the electrical, the structural, the roofing, facades. We take care of the building itself.
My name's Ed Quinlan. I'm the owner of an engineering firm that did the design for this project. Got a group of people that have pulled this all together. And this is a special project for me because it's my last job before retirement. So this is a sweet, final swan song for me. I've been working with these folks for many years, CBRE for 25. They're a good client, and this is a hell of a project to put together for them. Northeastern is a fantastic contractor. It takes a lot of people to pull a job like this together, and this is a special job. It's happening.
We have two 2,200-ton steam, high-pressure steam absorbers, and we have two turbines, steam turbines. Those are outdated and parts are difficult to obtain, and the efficiency is next to nothing. So what we've done is we're upgrading the building, we're putting in new electrical systems, and we're putting in new HVAC systems.
Today we're bringing up the main pieces of the new chiller plant, which are the chiller shells. They weigh about 8,000 pounds. You can't get them up any other way other than a helicopter.
We looked at taking the elevator shaft, coming up through the elevator shaft, dismantling an elevator car, but that wasn't practical price-wise. And then we looked at putting a davit arm on the building, again, the same thing. And we came down to using the helicopter, which was our last resort, but it went smooth today. Happy to all my guys and the owner and the engineer and everyone involved with the team.
I'm Jason Lullis. I'm a pilot with CHI Aviation, or Construction Helicopters, and we're just here today putting 8 units up on the roof. We do aerial crane work anywhere that there's something they can't reach with a crane, or like here where it would be cost prohibitive to put a crane up. We come in with a helicopter and show up, unload, put everything on the roof, and gone in a couple hours. It's always fun doing downtown jobs, and we're a little bit busier in the cockpit because Boston Logan Airport is a mile and a half that way.
The building is air conditioned with things called chillers. It's not like your home air conditioner. It's major, big 1,000-ton machines that have huge motors and compressors. They are the heart of the building's air conditioning system. What was here was 40 years old. It was steam powered. One of the big things about this new plant is it's going to reduce the carbon footprint of their air conditioning system by 80% reduction. So it's a huge win for the building, for the tenants, for the city. 30, 40 years ago, steam was the way they powered a lot of these buildings' air conditioning systems. They were steam turbines. It was cheap. Today that's not true at all, especially with high efficiency chillers that we can get that are driven with electricity. So everybody's been pulling out the old steam turbine chillers and going electric. We've done our share of these conversions also.
No matter how many times you do this, you could pick the same thing 100 times. Every pick you learn something new. One guy picks up a different trick and he brings it out on that job because he sees something that he can use. He's going to use it. It all takes so many different moves just to be able to spin a piece of machinery this size, and the space that we had to do it in, it's actually pretty remarkable how quickly we were able to do this. Pulled out an absorber right down here, so this opened up a runway for us to be able to bring all the barrels in and set up shop right here. So this open area in the middle of the floor is actually going to be our build station.
Once we selected the types of equipment we wanted, then it took about 3 months of planning with the helicopter, and there was a lot of permits and explanations to the different authorities in the Boston area. I've been working with Northeast Mechanical for about 20 years. I actually gave the owner of Northeast Mechanical, Paul Lyons, I actually gave him his first project when he opened up his own business. It was a good-sized project. It was another chiller retrofit. From then, he's been a great contractor for us, one we can rely on and one that's very dependable.